Google's Pixel phones have always been about smart features that quietly make life easier, and it looks like the Pixel 10 is about to get a noticeable boost in that area. A new report suggests Google is testing a meaningful upgrade for Magic Queue, and this time, it could become far more useful in everyday situations thanks to Google Wallet and Google Tasks integration. If you're not fully familiar with Magic Queue, here's a quick breakdown. Magic Queue is an AI-powered feature exclusive to the Pixel 10 lineup. Its job is to connect information across apps like Gmail Messages and Calendar, then surface useful details exactly when you need them. Instead of searching through emails or apps, Magic Queue brings the information to you at the right moment. For example, it might show flight details during a phone call, or pull up an order number when you're about to start a return. Right now, Magic Queue is helpful, but limited. That could soon change. According to the report, Google is testing new Magic Queue toggles for Google Wallet and Google Tasks. These toggles have already appeared in Magic Queue's settings on a Pixel 10 device, although they are not active yet. This strongly suggests Google is working on these features internally, and when that happens, a public rollout is usually not too far behind. Once Google Wallet support is enabled, Magic Queue could surface things like boarding passes, event tickets, transit cards, or even payment-related details when they become relevant. Imagine walking into a train station and seeing your ticket pop up automatically, or arriving at a venue and having your event pass ready without opening another app. That kind of convenience is exactly what Magic Queue is designed for. Google Tasks integration could be just as useful. With tasks added to Magic Queue, reminders, deadlines, and to-do lists could appear right when they matter. Instead of opening the Tasks app or checking notifications, Magic Queue could remind you of an upcoming deadline while you're emailing someone, or surface a to-do item related to a message you just received. These small moments can save time and reduce friction throughout the day. There's also a more interesting angle to the wallet integration. Google Wallet already supports real-time train status updates when tickets are saved inside the app. At the moment, Magic Queue can pull travel information from Gmail, but it does not support live updates. If Magic Queue starts pulling data directly from Wallet, it could finally bridge that gap. This could mean real-time updates for trains, flights, events, or other passes stored in Wallet, all appearing automatically when they are relevant. This potential upgrade fits perfectly into Google's AI-first Pixel strategy. Over the past few years, Google has been pushing AI deeper into its phones, not just as flashy features, but as tools that improve daily use. Magic Queue did not launch in a perfect state, but Google has clearly been refining it over time. With each update, it feels more focused and more practical, rather than experimental. Instead of acting like a loud attention-seeking feature, Magic Queue is slowly turning into a quiet system-level helper. It works in the background, stepping in only when it has something genuinely useful to show. That approach matters especially as competition in AI-powered smartphones continues to grow. And let's be honest, AI fatigue is very real. Between operating systems, apps, and platforms, it often feels like AI features are being forced everywhere, whether they help or not. Many of them feel generic, unnecessary, or poorly thought out. But when AI is used carefully and with a clear purpose, it can still make a real difference. Magic Queue seems to be heading in that right direction. At its best, it doesn't interrupt you or demand attention. It simply shows relevant information at the right time, then fades back into the background. No constant alerts, no useless suggestions, just practical help when you need it. That's exactly how AI should behave on a smartphone. Overall, Google's AI work has come a long way, and it's reasonable to expect it to keep improving. Competition from companies like OpenAI is not slowing down, but Google has a major advantage: control over both software and hardware. That tight integration allows Google to build AI features like Magic Queue directly into the system, making them feel natural instead of added on. If Wallet and Tasks integration does roll out, Magic Queue could easily become one of the Pixel 10's most underrated but powerful features. Not flashy, not loud, just smarter in the ways that actually matter.